This is an electricity maker that built with Legos. It all starts with here. And inside is the electricity maker. And when this jumps up and down, it comes into this fish. And if this fish's tail wags, that means there's electricity. And that tells the fish to put it into here, into this can. It's an electricity can, and it mixes it with some oil, and down from this wire into here, and inside there is sun electricity, and that electricity mixes with that electricity. It goes here and it goes down into here. And
What's this?
It's a chemical can or electricity can. It mixes the electricity with a chemical, and the chemical comes from here, and it comes from a really secret place down in the bottom here, and that wire is here and comes into there, and if this light flashes, that means it's full. This is a robot that controls it.
Wow.
And that comes in here, mixes with some chemical water, and turns into a real chemical, and then into here, and then mixes with the electricity, and then goes down here into here, and that mixes it with some water, and then down here into here, then that mixes it with some chemical oil, and then down into the ground and into the house.
Okay. And how about this part?
It's a second way, and
what does the second way mean?
That means another way to make it. This way doesn't really go into the house, but some goes into the house, and some also goes into the inventions, the Lego inventions. This has a lot that goes in the house. It all starts with this as the same as this. If this jumps, it goes into this fish, but this fish is on the bottom. And if this fish's tail wags too, that tells the fish that it's time to put it into this sideways container. And that container mixes it with some oil and some water and some sunlight electricity. And into this alligator, and it mixes with a water chemical and the oil chemical and electricity chemical. And into here, that this carries it in these 4 holes, and it turns into here and into a hole, and then goes into here, and then it goes up here and flashes if there's a lot of electricity, and then it mixes with sunlight electricity from the sun, and then down through here into the house.